guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are hunting for the Gamestop mystery boxes. It is actually quite busy out, so I really hope that, well, this Gamestop is really busy. I really hope that there are some boxes left. So yeah, let's go ahead and see if we could get any. Alright, so I am back and I got the goods. I ended up getting 4 boxes, and actually they sold out of the ones that were on the counter, so luckily they had some in the back. But I'm super excited to open these. Hopefully I don't get any duplicates. That's all I'm really worried about. But yeah, let's go ahead and open these up. Alright, now that we made it home, let's go ahead and open these up. I can't remember how many different variations there are. I think there's 3 or 4 different commons, and they each have a chase, so 8 different ones total, I believe, but I could be wrong. But yeah, these ones were $19.99 each, and I think the Batman ones were as well. But yeah, I'm super excited to open these. The box is pretty much, the box looks the same as the Batman, except it says Marvel. The box itself is pretty cool. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. And I'm not sure, I don't remember the Batman box having the opening here. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, first box. It's always one side that gets stuck. Alright, here we go. We got Groot. Oh, we got the chase. That's awesome. That's really cool. So here's the little sticker that it comes with. It comes with the keychain as well. And I'm really surprised that they didn't do a chase version of the keychain as well as the pop, like they did the Batman. But here's a really cool pin. And then you get a Deadpool Gamer Pez. This one's really cool. It's the black and white one. I'm not sure if these have chases or not. Could be wrong. But then, yeah, we have the Groot chase. So that's super awesome. So that's box number 1. Alright, box number 2 will go up top. Having that little slit there makes it so much easier to open. Alright, second box. We have another Groot. This one is the regular version. So here's the sticker for that one. Then we have the keychain is the same. The pin is the same. This is the Pez we got. This one is super cool, black and red. And then the regular. And the bottom is like coming off. It's like, so the only really difference is him sitting down and how it has a drink in his hand is pretty much the only difference. So that's cool. Alright, box number 3. I really want Deadpool. Or Miles from Spider-Man. I'm not really sure what the others are besides Groot. Alright, third box. We got Miles Morales. So here's the keychain. Glows in the dark. Super cool pin that also glows in the dark. The sticker. The Pez, which is the yellow one. And then the pop. I don't know why all these boxes are like, the Funko boxes are like already open, ready to come out. Alright, last but not least, last box. Nice. We have Miles Morales Chase. That is so awesome. So this one, the keychain is the Chase version. So I'm not sure if this was supposed to be the Chase version too. Oh wait, I think they are different. Yeah, so my bad. Those keychains are different, not the same. But I feel like they should have had a Chase sticker for that, like this one does. But yeah, we got the Miles Morales Funko keychain, big sticker, and I really like this pin. It's like gold, red glitter. And then the Pez. I don't think we got a duplicate of the Pez, which is really awesome. And then we got the Chase of Miles. So that is super awesome. Super happy I got both a Chase version and the regular version. Alright, so here is the pocket keychains that I got. And then here is all the Pez I got. Super awesome. I actually kind of like them. Not really a fan of the Funko Pez, but these ones are kind of cool. And then here is all of the pops I got. Super happy that I got 2 Chases and that I got both the Chase and the common version. I don't think that's ever happened to me before, and I don't know what the odds are for that, but that's super awesome. I'm super happy. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe.